Today I'm making roasted red pepper hummus. It's so easy to make. You can use store-bought roasted peppers or roast a fresh pepper on an open flame. This recipe calls for 1 clove of garlic, 1 can of chickpeas, a little bit of hot seeds, 2 tablespoons of tahini, sea salt, black pepper, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and the juice from 1 lemon. Drain the beans and give them a good rinse. Remove the ribs and the seeds, then scrape the charring off. Don't forget your hot seeds. I used about a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. At this point, it was still a little too thick to blend, so I added cold water. There we go, look at that. You can serve this with whatever you like. Add a little paprika for color and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.